Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my respected elders, brothers and sisters. Salawat.
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
Please recite Dua Hujjat with me. Allahumma kulli waliyika al-Hujjat ibn al-Hasan salawatuka alayhi wa ala abahi fi yawm al-Islam fi kulli sa وليا وحافظا وعيدا وناصرا ودليلا وعينا حتى تسكنه وارزقك ضوءا وتمتع Today is a special day, the 13th of Rajab, when our first Imam Ali was born. Imam Ali's father's name was Hazrat Abu Talib al-Islam. Well known as the protector of our Prophet Muhammad al-Islam. Imam Ali's mother name was Fatima bint Asad al-Islam. When the time of birth of Imam Ali, Bibi Fatima went to the house of Allah and asked Allah to protect her, and then suddenly the Kaaba wall gave way and she entered inside the Kaaba, and then Hazrat Ali al-Islam was born inside the house of Allah. After 3 days, the Prophet of Islam entered the exact same way. And she said to the Prophet, "This baby is not drinking milk and has not opened his eyes." And the Prophet put his tongue on Imam Ali's tongue, and Hazrat Ali al-Islam opened his eyes, and then he started to recite bits of the Quran and other 3 holy books. Then the Prophet started to carry him out the same way he came in, by his arms, and after that Prophet Muhammad was the guardian for life. When Hazrat Ali started to grow up, one day the Prophet decided by order of Allah to declare that he is the messenger of Allah, and then he invited all the leaders from all the tribes and asked his uncle to get the food ready. After they ate, the Prophet got up and tried to say something about Allah, and they left. He invited them again. The same thing happened. They again ate the food, and the Prophet tried to say something about Allah. Janab Abu Talib said, nobody leaves today until the Prophet of Islam, Prophet of Allah, needs to say what he needs to say. Then the Prophet got up and said, Allah is one and I am his messenger, and whoever helps me in this mission, he will be my successor and will be the wali of Allah. One young man got up, everybody knew him as Hazrat Ali ibn Abu Talib al-Islam. Then after that, he spent all his life helping the Prophet and Islam. Thank you for listening to my short speech. May Allah unite all Muslims. We hope and pray for the arrival of Imam Mahdi al-Islam, and we see him the true success of Islam. Salawat.